we are going to see IIT-JEE 2019 main question. For more details of the topic and for the question, you can refer the board. We have to differentiate a given function. The given function is tan inverse of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Since in the given expression the tan inverse comes, it will be easy to convert the given expression in terms of tan. How can we change this sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x in terms of tan? We know that sin x by cos x equal to tan x. We also know that if a fraction is multiplied or divided by the same data, the value of that fraction will not be changed. So that here we are going to divide each terms of the fraction by cos x. So if we divide the sin x by cos x, we will get sin x by cos x. If we divide the cos x by cos x, we will get cos x by cos x. Similarly, if we divide the sin x by cos x, we will get sin x by cos x plus cos x by cos x. Thereby we will get tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 1. That is the tan inverse of tan x minus 1 by tan x plus 1. We know that the tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So 1 can be substituted as tan pi by 4, or tan pi by 4 can be written as 1. In this case we are going to write 1 as tan pi by 4. Why we should convert into 1 into tan pi by 4? Because we know the standard formula, that is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B equal to tan A minus B. In order to change into this format, we are going to substitute 1 as tan pi by 4. So if we substitute tan pi by 4 in the numerator, we will get tan x minus tan pi by 4. In the denominator, we will get tan x into 1 plus 1. We are maintaining this 1 as it is, and we are also changing that term in the denominator, so that we will get 1 plus tan x into 1. Then the 1 is substituted as tan pi by 4. Now we are getting the format of this formula. On comparing these two, we can understand that in the place of A we are having x, and in the place of B we are having pi by 4. Therefore the tan A minus B is obtained as tan x minus pi by 4. Therefore, the given expression tan inverse of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x is obtained as tan inverse of tan x minus pi by 4. Then this tan inverse and tan can be cancelled. Why? We know that tan inverse into tan theta equal to theta, for theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Now the function obtained to be differentiated is only x minus pi by 4. Generally, in all questions, they will ask to differentiate the function with respect to x. But in this sum, they are asking to differentiate the given function with respect to x by 2. So that we are writing in the denominator as differentiation of x by 2. If we reciprocate this fraction, we will get the 2 in the numerator. it will become the coefficient. We know that on differentiation, the coefficient will remain as it is. Only the variable can be differentiated. Here the variable is x. So this can be only differentiated. The constant that is on differentiating the constant, it will become 0. So that we are writing 0. The coefficient is written as it is. On differentiating the variable with power, the power will become the coefficient and the power will be reduced by 1. So that we are writing 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is 0. So that we will get x to the power 0. Any data to the power 0 equal to 1. So that we will get the answer as 2. Therefore, the derivative of tan inverse of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x is obtained as 2. Therefore, the answer D is correct. If we want to know why the one is written as tan pi by 4 and also for the derivation of some functions, you can refer the board. If you want to see more details of this sum, you can see my separate video.